1949, America meets its first post-war workhorse, the Ford F1. 2058, trucks have transformed into AI-driven electric machines beyond imagination. In the next few minutes, we'll journey through every generation of the Ford F-Series, from meadow green beginnings to composite AI models of the future. This isn't just trucks, it's culture, innovation, and the enduring spirit of American engineering. And the final generations. They'll challenge everything you thought you knew about pickups. Welcome to Next Gen Studio. Let's hit the road. The first F1 embodied post-war optimism, rounded fenders, upright chrome grille, and split windshield. Its straight-six engine made it reliable, rugged, and instantly iconic. 1955 F100, sleeker two-tone styling, integrated fenders, and curved windshield. Comfort and performance improved, turning pickups into early icons for enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. 1958 F100 style side, wider cabs, quad headlights, and aerodynamic lines. Longer wheelbases gave the truck personality while keeping rugged utility. 1965 F100, rectangular grille, dual round headlights, larger glass areas. Engine options expanded. Trucks became lifestyle symbols, not just workhorses. 1970 F100 bump side, bold mid-body creases, chrome bumpers. Engine upgrades allowed heavier loads, adventurous driving, and a new identity for the truck. The bump side style made heads turn across America. 1977 F100 dent side, concave panels, egg crate grille, rectangular headlights, a mature design balancing style, comfort, and performance. Ford's reputation in pickups was solidified. 1984 F150, boxy aerodynamic shapes, sharper edges, comfort, technology, dominance, appealing to a new generation. 1989 F150, flush composite headlights, smooth grills, alloy wheels. Improved handling, safety, and power solidified the F-150 against Chevy and Dodge competitors. 1995 F-150, rounded fascias, aerodynamic hoods, larger cabs, bridging workhorse reliability with lifestyle appeal. This generation made a statement. 1999 F-150, fully rounded aero bodies, oval grills, spacious interiors, engine power, and ride comfort made the truck both practical and desirable. 2006 F-150, tall, muscular stance, squared wheel arches, bold grille, off-road capability, tech upgrades, refined interiors. The F-Series now represented strength and versatility. 2012 F-150, projector headlights, sculpted hood lines, refined grille, infotainment, driver assist, luxury options, work, lifestyle, adventure. This truck could do it all. 2018 F-150, aluminum body panels, sharper lines, weight reduction, improved performance. Advanced features kept the F-Series ahead of the curve. 2023 F-150, updated grills, LED signatures, sculpted bumpers, modern design merged with heritage, recognizable yet forward-looking. 2023 F-150 Lightning EV, closed-off grille, full-width LED bar, aerodynamic EV wheels, power, efficiency, sustainability. The pickup redefined. The F1 legacy endured. 2028 F-150, futuristic grills, slim LEDs, sharp panels, hybrid or modular EV tech. Innovation meets legacy, blending utility, performance, and intelligent design. 2035 Modular EV F-Series, modular platforms, full-width LED lighting, aerodynamic panels, AI-assisted driving and customization define the next chapter. 2042 Autonomous F-Series, sleek body panels, integrated sensors, digital interfaces, trucks as intelligent machines, heritage, durability, culture, preserved in autonomous form. 2050 Solid-State F-Series, ultra-futuristic closed grille, OLED lighting, solid-state electric powertrains, speed, reliability, AI. Tradition meets innovation. 2058 Composite AI F-Series, AI controlled design, adaptive LEDs, aerodynamic composites. These trucks anticipate, communicate, and learn. The ultimate evolution. Over a century of mastery condensed into one machine. The Ford F-Series isn't just trucks, it's American identity on wheels. From 1949 to 2058, each generation reflects innovation, culture, and enduring spirit. If you loved this journey, hit like, subscribe, and comment which car or truck we should feature next on Next Gen Studio. Every vehicle tells a story. Don't miss the next chapter of automotive evolution.